So in that order, Dr. Kiboro.
Comrade,
I've been asked to say a few words.
Dad, the passion that you had for your job is unrivaled. Indeed, you were born a broadcaster. From the 1982 coup to your sunset years going to the studios to record Je Huni Ungwana, the spirit of broadcasting was embodied deep in you. You are very generous, and you had hated to see people suffer.
Leonard remained generous throughout his life and cared for me as the mother of his children. We loved each other, and I regret that sickness has taken him away. I'm thankful to God for a life well lived and wish my husband rest even in death.
People are talking about Je Huni Ungwana as the reference point for Leonard Mambo Mbotela. But for some of us who witnessed him talk about many things, participated in many activities, it's not just Je Huni Ungwana, because even when we were kids, we didn't think we were wangwana.
Leonard Mambo nilipata fursa ya kukutana na yeye wakati nimechaguliwa kama senator. Amekuja pale bunge wakati ambapo alikuwa anazindua kitabu chake, na akaniambia macho yetu tusiyazibe wakati maovu yanafanyika taifa letu, kwamba masikio yetu tusiyazibe wakati ambapo tunasikia maovu, na vinywa vyetu tusivizibe wakati ambapo tunaona maovu, ya kwamba tupaze sauti jinsi ambavyo alikuwa anapaza.